What if a cricket captain turned politician refused to back down against the world's most powerful forces? Imran Khan stood before the United Nations and made a declaration that shocked diplomats worldwide. He announced he would never surrender, no matter the pressure from foreign powers or his own establishment. This was the same man who led Pakistan to World Cup victory in 1992 against impossible odds. After decades of political struggle, he finally became prime minister in 2018. But when he adopted an independent foreign policy, refusing to bow to external demands, everything changed. In 2022, he was removed from office through what he called a foreign conspiracy. Most leaders would have quietly retired, but Khan did the opposite. He took his fight global, addressing massive rallies and international forums. His message was clear. Pakistan would not be anyone's puppet state. Despite arrests and threats, his support only grew stronger. His refusal to back down transformed him from a cricket hero into a symbol of resistance. One man's defiance changed an entire nation's political landscape forever.